Ontario Power Generation's Lower Mattagami River project, its largest in 40 years, added almost 500 megawatts of power by updating 3 generating stations and completely replacing a 4th. Hatch acted as owner's engineer for the front-end study and design phases and as owner's representative during implementation. À titre d'ingénieur du promoteur, Hatch était chargé de l'étude préparatoire et de la conception et d'agir comme représentant du promoteur pendant les travaux d'exécution. This $2.6 billion project employed 1,200 people, 70% of whom were drawn from local communities. This was a very large hydroelectricity generating project that was successfully completed on budget and ahead of schedule. Jurors noted the challenges faced by the engineers, including working in difficult geology and keeping the stations operating during construction. The exceptionally strong involvement of local communities and First Nations was also recognized.